2 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon yeast. Mix it well. 1 egg on room temperature. Add milk as you need. Again, mix it well. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Add 2 tablespoon oil. Make a soft dough. Pour into airtight box. Brush with oil. Cover for 30 to 40 minutes. After 30 to 40 minutes, polish with oil. Dust with flour. Make a thick dough. Make a prefix circle. Another circle in the center of donuts. Hold extra dough. Add 1 by 1 on low flame. Turn it almost after 2 minutes. Dip in chocolate. Dust with powdered sugar. Its taste is really good. Yum, yum, yummy!